Hi, and welcome to the Life Science booth here at Dassault Systèmes for CES 2018. I'd like to talk a little bit about what we're offering here for life sciences, and what we're talking about this year is really about the change in the patient's journey, and it's the consumerization of health. What you can see here is our living heart experience, and what we have is an ability for patients to better understand cardiology, for medical device and pharmaceutical companies to understand the models and how they do their design and bring products to market, as well as have doctors and clinicians do education and help better understand how they can treat patients and change that journey, whether it's in designing their devices or it is in pre-surgical education and making those surgery times lower and recovery times faster. So one thing we can look at here is a good example of, we have a number of models that you might want to look at, whether it's a mechanical, electrical, or fluidic, but where it really helps is, if I'm a medical device company and I make stents, this really gives me a three-dimensional analysis of how those stents might be implanted, designed better, and also if I'm a doctor and need to understand how those can better be implanted into the body and I want to get a better understanding of what that might look like. And for my more sophisticated patients, they may want to see this. But for your average patient, it may be something here that we want to go that's more educational in nature. And if I'm a cardiologist and you're coming into my office, I can explain to you to say, Mr. Patient, this is the sort of area of where we see a bit of a problem in your heart where we'll be inserting your pacemaker. It puts the patient at ease and gives the doctor a better understanding of that patient relationship and how we're going to make that journey a little bit better for them. So come on down to the Life Sciences booth here at Dassault Systèmes, and we'd love to take you through our experiences and talk not only about cardiology, but how our 3D experience platform facilitates that, and some new areas like neurology that we're expanding into in the future.